Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change Instagram account password on mobile. Changing your Instagram account password is pretty easy process and here's how to do it. And right now I'm on my Android phone. You can follow these same steps in your iPhone also. Go ahead and launch your Instagram app and go to your profile page. From your profile, tap on this hamburger menu and just tap on account center, and here tap on password and security and tap on change password. And if you're using multiple Instagram accounts in your Instagram app, here you will find all of your added Instagram accounts. Now select the account or profile where you want to update or change password. And now you will directly jump into change password field. In this current password box, you have to type your current password and write here your new password for your Instagram account, and in this box retype the password and must use a strong password for your account. After that, just tap on change password and your Instagram password will be changed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.